She not leave dad. You working, baby? Yes. Princess Night. You working? Yes, with pipe. With all pipe. Hey family, welcome to another for restoration videos. In this one, we're going to be sharing with you phase 1 of our kitchen restoration, and I hope that you hang in there with us until we get to the end. Rasta, you pulling down the kitchen?
Yes, man.
How you feeling, Rasta? You ready for it?
Oh, yeah. Always ready, man. Always ready.
Yep, we're looking forward to this project, innit, baby?
Ever stay ready, you know?
Yes, we have to get this house together.
Yeah.
Here we are now in the kitchen. So, Rasta is just pulling the old materials away, pulling away the old wood, old board and everything. So, yeah, it's a joy when we take it from where it's at to where it's going to be. Just hold forward with us on this journey and watch the ride. Go through, Rasta. This is the before. Just wait until you see the after. Where she is? I'll get this. Alright. Night has fallen and Rasta is still here. Look here. Night come down and Rasta is still here working. Remember earlier on today, he removed the old wood, all of the rotten board them from here. This is where our kitchen sink was. And look. He has an opening right there and he's working on the entire structure. Right, Ross?
Yes, man. I have to be right, you know.
A time for your draw for work now, you know that. My good husband today, again, is underneath the house. See there? This is the kitchen. My husband is underneath the house. Rasta, what you doing now? Outside? It's Rasta out the door. Yeah, so this is where we are now. We're pulling down the structure. And we're doing the groundation and we're going to build come all the way up. So, we are giving thanks for the giving of thanks. Yes, bless up. So this is day 3 family and Rasta is at it again. And as you can see, he's working solo. I'm here to do the recording and if he wants any tools, etc., I'll pass it. I'll make sure that he's fed. And that's about it for me. Because Rasta is a man like this. When Rasta is doing his building work, if you ever put a nail wrong, he's going to do the entire thing all over again. Him don't like nothing when I stay good, nothing when I right. So I just don't get myself involved because I'm not a builder. So I'm going to leave Rasta to it and make him do him thing. Yeah, so here he is working on the foundation. So he's working on the flooring. He's making sure that all the beams are intact and all the beams that have rotted away over time, he is here now replacing those beams. And also, you know, clearing out underneath the bottom of the house and making sure that the pipes are intact, nothing has corroded, and the ones that need replacing, he's making sure to do that. So if you've watched this video all the way to here, that means you are sitting in with us on this journey. So just hang on with us, family, because you're going to be amazed at the end result. patience is definitely a virtue. And I am a patient woman. So I'm hanging in there so my house can get to the level that I want it to. With that said, thank you for watching. See you all in the next clip. Naya, what you doing in here? You working with Dad? Naya, you working with Dad?
Yeah.
She not leave Dad. You working, baby? Yes. Princess Naya, you working? Yes, with pipe. With all pipe. What she do with pipe like her dada. Look here, look here, look here, look here. Look at this. You see she rig it round, booby?
Mm-hmm.
You doing pipe work, Naya? You doing pipe work? Yes. Good girl. Mm-mm-mm. Yes. All right, say bye. Bye. All right.